Yeah, we are going now for resort trip Namsai. Eh, don't mas you guys.
Yeah, man.
Yo. So we are going now for Namsai trip for resort. So no need. That is good.
Hello. Man, resort ka monastery जाएगा. बहुत काम कर रहे हैं.
What river is this?
Dihing, no dihing.
No ding.
Business naman why business din.
Let's go down from here.
This where? Watermelon. It's very sweet and it's very good. It's hot day.
Click. Video.
Yeah. So we stop here and we're gonna enter here now.
Resort, and here's the place where the entry fee were collected.
So this is a resort that we're gonna visit today. So now we're done. Yeah.
Now we reached one resort.
The view. Here we're gonna enter. There's elephant. You can sit down there. So here's the water. It's a river. So clear, we can see here. The water is so clear, and the fish can be seen on ice. There's some fish here. So what you guys are looking? River fish?
No, not that. They're sleeping. Wow, so big. Is it visible?
Yeah. There's a fish. See? So beautiful. So here is the direction to go which side.
Your brother is me.
Wow. The tree was so beautiful. Really like the color. Nice place to stay. So it's my friend. I'm going on with interview. Let's see. So this is a resort name. So this is the view. This is a place where we can have chit chat and talk. And here is the place.
The kids can play.
It's a very nice place. We can also walk above the stone, and this is very interesting, which I really like to walk like this. I can feel the water chill over me.
And here's my friends.
They want to sing now, right here. So they want to sing now in this clean water. And so we can see there still. Yeah, it's good. But it's hot, right? It's very hot. Wow, this bird is so beautiful. Oh! I want to see the bird, but it flew. So,
Really nice.
it's nice. Beautiful place. It's a good time to visit this season.
Hi.
It's Mr. Hosen. He's enjoying the playing with water. See how nice the view. So good. See, they are coming. Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi. Say hi. Sardo.
Hello. Hi. Hey, sorry. Say.
See, Jimmer is coming. Come on, jump. Jump from there, man. Come on. Yeah, I'm taking. Wow. Come on, see. Woo. Give me, bro. See. This is how we do not to enter water in our ear. They are enjoying. So nice. Don't worry, okay? Rescuer is here. We'll rescue you if you guys drown. Don't worry.
Wait.
So it started.
In the floor, I used to come out.
Enough, man. Come out from water. Enough.
first time touching elephant in my life. It was very huge, but when I've touched, I feel like elephant was very innocent.
Dixon, you take taking this goes up. You're sure.
ऐसा हाथी बाद में दोस्तों को जाके बोला हम हाथी पकड़े हो
So now we'll be going back from this resort. We'll be going to different resort today. I really like the fish here. So good. Wow, it's still running. So he want to play with the fish now. Wow, so beautiful. So right now, my friends here, we're heading towards back, and we'll be going to a different place. Really, it's a good place, and especially many will like to play on the water, and you can come here in this resort for recreation or relaxing your mind.
So I'm going back. Next resort, Tung Tao Resort.